Hi!
Hi guys.
As you can see guys, at my side, Caravana.
For you, buddy, you wanna hold it? You? You want a picture for you? I'm a
Hey, hey, hey!
I'm a friend. Best friend.
It's okay, sorry.
You?
See? Ah. Don't be afraid.
Hi.
Hi guys. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you guys.
Thank you, friend.
Yeah.
Bayad ah.
Yeah.
Thank you lang.
Thank you lang. Nakita niya ako, naka-Pilipinas, so nilapitan niya ako kasi nga si Manny Pacquiao. Hi! Welcome! They are open to tourists like us in Philippines. Yeah. Kung paano nila i-welcome yung mga turista kagaya natin. Yan. Medyo mainit guys, parang summer ng Pinas. But it's okay. It feels good. Almost 4 months na walang ganitong araw. Yeah.